Welcome to the world of genetics, where DNA shapes not just physical features, but the very instincts, emotions, and survival strategies of animals. Today, we'll embark on a journey to understand how the genetic blueprint guides behavior, from the tiniest insect to the most complex mammal. Have you ever wondered why wolves hunt in packs? Why birds migrate thousands of miles? Or how ants coordinate without a leader? What drives their instincts? Is it learning, environment, or something much deeper? The answer is encoded in their DNA, the genetic instructions passed from generation to generation. It's a silent architect shaping the way animals act, think, and survive. Let's start with a fundamental question. How does DNA influence behavior? At the core, genes create proteins that build the brain's neural circuits. These circuits drive emotions, memory, and responses to the world. Imagine DNA as a silent director, instructing how an animal reacts to danger, hunts for food, or finds a mate. Take fruit flies, for example. Scientists discovered a single gene, dubbed fruitless, that controls mating behavior. When mutated, male flies lose their instinct to court females, proving how one gene can determine a fundamental survival trait. Genes also regulate neurotransmitters, chemical messengers in the brain. Dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin influence aggression, bonding, and decision-making. A simple genetic variation can determine if an animal is territorial or social. Evolution doesn't just shape physical traits, it refines behavior too. Over generations, animals adapt their instincts based on survival needs. Wolves evolve teamwork. Their genetic code encourages pack hunting over solo pursuits. The transition from wolf to dog showcases how domestication rewired genes responsible for aggression, making dogs more social. Another fascinating case is the meerkat, a desert mammal that thrives in groups. Their cooperation isn't just learned, it's coded in their DNA. Studies show genes controlling oxytocin, a bonding hormone, are more active in meerkats than in solitary animals, proving that nature has hardwired them for teamwork. Even migration is genetic. Monarch butterflies travel thousands of miles guided by an inherited biological clock. Their DNA dictates the urge to move, ensuring survival across generations. As we dive deeper into genetics, new questions emerge. Can we alter an animal's instincts through genetic engineering? Can scientists modify aggression, fear, or intelligence? With CRISPR technology, researchers are already exploring gene editing, raising ethical questions about controlling behavior. Imagine a future where we decode the genetics behind human emotions, intelligence, and mental health. Could understanding animal genetics revolutionize neuroscience and help treat depression or anxiety? DNA does more than shape bodies. It crafts instincts, intelligence, and survival strategies. From wolves to butterflies, genes dictate the behaviors we once thought were purely environmental. As science advances, we'll uncover even more about how genetics orchestrates the world around us, and perhaps within ourselves. So next time you see an animal in action, remember, its every move might just be written in the language of DNA.